Good morning. Today is Wednesday, July the 13th, and we are setting up to take a long trade here in the gold contract. Let me just get my chart situated here. The level I like for gold is 1578.60. So the object here is that we'll see some volatility based on some of my calculations on this end. So we're going to go long at 1578.60, or long above 1578.60, I should say. And then if I bounce below 1578.60, I'm going to get flat in the trade. So I'm more or less looking for a breakout trade here. So let's stand by and see how this one works itself out. Let me just get my chart situated here so you can see clearly what I'm doing and get a line snapped. Looks like we're coming back a little bit in the trade. I'm gonna flatten this trade out and look for another one. Again, the strategy here is to look for areas of volatility, and this particular area is one that we marked earlier. So I'm going to either wait for this thing to go back above 1578.60, in which case I'll take a long, or I'm going to look for another trade. So stand by and we'll be right back to you. Okay, some of my indicators on this end still like this 1578.60 area, at least for a retrace and maybe even a breakout. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to get long into this trade once I see a little bit of volatility come back in, because I feel like we're going to reach up and touch that 1578.60 area at some point here in the short-term future. So let's just look for some price action here like that, and let's go ahead and put this trade back on and see if we can't get at least a retest of this 1578.60 area, or possibly a breakout to the upside. Okay, so let's stand by and see if we can take some profits here. Okay, we're still in this trade, and we actually had a really quick jump up and touch to this level that we like, and I didn't have an opportunity to take the trade off. I'm going to see if we can't get it to touch again, and I'll probably go ahead and just take it off and take the profits. So let's stand by here a second, and there it is. I'm going to go ahead and jump off of this trade. I'd like to see, obviously I'd like to be in the trade when it breaks out, but in this case we're playing it kind of as a retest. I still have a feeling and feel very confident it will break out of this level, but that's a lot of profits to leave on the table and be sitting in some sort of a back and fill where it reverses. So that's going to wrap it up for us today, and if you have questions about the strategy or the indicators we use to identify these levels using intermarket analysis, please feel free to call me in the office. Other than that, we'll see you here tomorrow. Make it a profitable day.